In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to find old emails in your Gmail account. Let's get started. First, go to Gmail and make sure you're signed in. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search bar. This is the main tool we're going to use. If you remember anything about the email you're trying to find, like the subject line, the sender's name, or even a few words from the message, type those into the search bar. For example, if you're looking for an email about any of your ordered things, try typing the name of the product or the store name. After you type in your search, press Enter. Gmail will show you a list of emails that match those words. If you want to narrow it down more, you can use filters. Click the small icon that looks like 3 sliders on the right side of the search bar. This opens a filter menu where you can enter more details. You can type the sender's name, the subject, choose a date range, or search for emails that have attachments. This is helpful if you only want to see emails from a certain time or from a specific person. Now let's say you don't remember any keywords. Another thing you can do is scroll through all your mail manually. On the left-hand side of Gmail, click where it says More and then click All Mail. This folder includes everything: your inbox, sent messages, archived emails, and more. Once you're in All Mail, go to the bottom of the screen. At the bottom, you'll see how many pages of emails you have. Gmail shows your most recent emails first, but you can change this. Click the small arrow next to the number of messages and choose Oldest to see your oldest emails first. This makes it easier to browse through emails from years ago. Another place to check is your trash and spam folders. Sometimes emails get deleted by accident or flagged as spam. On the left side, under More, you'll find both of these folders. Go into them and scroll through to see if the email you're looking for is there. If it is, you can move it back to your inbox or to any folder you want. That's it. These steps should help you find the email you're looking for. Thanks for watching.